Defender Kalina Anderson with it on behalf of Ms. Tuttle.
Thank you, Ms. Anderson. Good morning.
Good morning. And Your Honor, thank you for the breakout room. As I stated, she did post a bond on June 24th at the jail of $750. We did discuss that there may be a 10% fee that's taken off of that amount, but that should still leave her with $675 that she would like to apply towards the balance. And then she has a proposal for the court for a payment plan of $200 on August 15th and September 15th, with a final payment of $242 on October 15th.
Ms. Tuttle, obviously no fault of your own. We just have not received the paperwork on that bond. Do you have your copy of that receipt still? And then the money's there. That don't worry about that. It's there.
I do, sir. If you can give me just one moment to find it in my purse,
Okay.
Which of course you understand a woman's purse. Give me one moment.
Yeah, no problem.
Oh, oh Lord Jesus, please let it be in here. Okay, no, I got it. Okay, so I'm gonna try and show it to you, like,
No, I just want you to read one thing to me.
yeah,
Down
no,
at the bottom where it says posted by, is it your signature or is there a third party poster? You see there's a line that says
bond
party
posted by defendant. It has my signature.
okay,
It's posted in my name. Yes, sir.
doesn't say anything under the third party line?
No, sir. It's no. It says, okay, there's the line where I had to sign where it says revoked and I will be subject to arrest, blah, blah, blah. I signed that one. And then it says bond deposited by defendant if all terms and conditions, so and so and such. And then I signed on that line as well. But then the line where it says bond deposited by, and it gives the boxes for a third party or surety agent, nothing is marked or signed on that line.
Okay. All right.
Oh, did it free?
Okay.
Sir, and I apologize for the lengthiness in this case and for it taking me so long to pay this back. I came into some difficulty with the COVID in that, and I failed to appear because I didn't have the money to give you, and I didn't want to come in court with nothing in hand.
Well, not that I expect you to have these problems in the future again, but I mean, always come to court, regardless if you haven't been able to do what you need to or whatever, because at least we know what's going on then. And we don't have to issue a warrant for your arrest. You don't have to end up down at the jail.
Yes, sir.
Okay, hold on here for all the restitution to pay or not. I'm just checking a couple of things here. Hang on a second, okay? Okay. Are you employed right now, ma'am?
I am self-employed, sir.
Okay.
I work part-time. I subcontract doing home health care.
Okay. And how's that business going for you?
So it's getting better. It's getting started now that COVID has lifted.
But the last year or so has been pretty difficult?
Yes, sir. Very much so. I also have child support that I'm responsible for.
Okay. Okay, you've paid all of your restitution. That is part that the court doesn't have any discretion over. That's done and paid. All right.
Yes, sir.
Why'd you get arrested on the warrant? How'd you come into contact with police that day? What happened there?
I was in the vehicle with the person that I provide care for. The other care provider that was with me was ill that day, had gotten ill in the vehicle. He was a licensed driver. And because of him being ill in the vehicle, I had stepped into the driver's seat and we got pulled
Okay,
over because the
that's
tags
fine.
were bad on the vehicle.
Yep, okay, all right. Let me check one more thing and then tell you what we're in next in just a second. Do you have any other cases going on right now?
No, sir, I do not.
So since 2015, have you had any other cases, any other problems?
No, sir.
This is the only thing you have sort of hanging out right now?
Yes, sir.
Let's see. All right. You've got an arraignment scheduled August 4th with the 14A district court on a false identification of a police officer charge. Do you know about that?
Oh, I am so sorry. Yes, I went to assist my care provider's
Well,
daughter.
Ms.
I just
Tuttle,
want-
please don't make
yeah.
any statements regarding the case, just
Yeah.
yes or no that
Oh.
you know if there's a date.
Yes, but yes,
Okay.
yes,
Thank you.
yeah.
All right. So make
But I
sure-
didn't know, I hadn't heard anything on it, so I didn't know there was an actual court date set for it. But do you know what the time is on that?
Yeah, let me go back to that page again. The problem is they don't have your contact information, so they've been unable to, 9:30 a.m. So, When we're done-
9:30 a.m. August 4th.
yeah,
Okay.
when we're done here, call 14A and find out how you get on Zoom over there and everything, okay?
Okay, that would be awesome.
Okay,
Ms. Tuttle, if it's okay with you, I'll send an email to the court now to update them on your contact information.
Yes, ma'am, that's fine.
Okay, and that was 14A1, Your Honor.
yes.
Smithfield Township.
Thank you.
All right, Ms. Tuttle, given your circumstances, given that you were unemployed, only make payments for over the last year, and given that there's been no additional criminal activity certainly related to this charge, the court will accept and apply the $750 bond and will waive the balance and close the case.
You'll waive the balance?
Yes, ma'am. You paid your restitution, you've chased this around long enough, and so if you've made substantial enough payments, we'll close it out, okay?
Oh my God, so I'm done with you today?
You're done.
Thank you so much, sir. Like, thank you.
All right, just keep up with the other case and then just try to stay out of trouble from there on, okay?
Yes, sir. Thank you so much.
Okay.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right. Ms. Anderson, hang on just a second. I've got apparently two
No,
other
he
people
just-
on another docket.
He just waived my balance. So, sir, just to confirm, just for the other party I have involved, I don't owe your court anything else, correct?
That's right, you're done. Case, as soon as we get that bond money, which we will get, we know it's coming, we'll close the case.
Thank you so much, sir. You have a blessed day.
All right, stay safe, ma'am.
Thank you.
Yeah, Mr. Barnett. These two? I mean, we're just have to move them out anyway. Okay, just send them in.
Hello.
Kai Jackson,
Yes.
good morning.
Good morning.
Phillips County Township versus Kai Jackson, 20W000163. I was scheduled for a pretrial hearing at 9 a.m. It's now 10:20. So the prosecutor is left, but I see your status is still showing as an expired state ID. What are you doing about getting a license?
I'm sorry.
Where are you as far as getting a license?
Well, like I said before, I don't have transportation to get there. And right now I'm currently staying with my sister in Ypsilanti, and the closest date to get a Secretary of State appointment is in Monroe, which is usually right where I stay at.
Mhm.
but I made another one for tomorrow morning. But hopefully I can get an appointment. But if not, I was hoping I can just do some payment plans or make a payment or something.
Okay, well, let's push this out one more time. Like I said, the prosecutor's already left because you came in late, so we'll put this out to September the 14th. Okay, do your best to get your license between now and then, and make sure you're on time for next hearing. Okay.
Okay, I'm sorry. I woke
all
up a little late.
Okay. All right. You're all set. Stay safe. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. Ferris Brooks.
Yes.
Morning.
Good morning. How you doing? Sorry about that. I just woke up and I just now getting the emails and I got court. I just got at 8 o'clock.
Phillips County Township is Ferris Brooks 20W003545. All right. So I see you have a temporary instructional permit
Yeah.
that you got in May. All right. Where are you as far as what's next for you as far as getting a license?
I actually been looking around to see who is accepting so I can take my road test.
Mhm.
But everybody been saying that it was full. So I'm gonna try go out to like Warren or something, see if anybody closer like can accept me quicker.
Okay. All right. Put you on the same September 28th date.
Okay.
Do your best to get that squared away between now and then. And then just
Okay.
make sure this is on your calendar. So I mean, today the prosecutor left. So had you been ready to go, he wouldn't have been here to move this case forward. Okay.
Right. Okay. Thank you.
All right. We'll see you back in September 28th.
Okay.
Thank you.